Kung bago ka lang sa YouTube channel ko, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Mr. Dreamboy66. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para lagi kayo update sa mga video na na-upload ko. Maraming salamat po sa inyong support. God bless.
Good morning po. Ayan, shoutout po sa ating lahat, mga bikers. Guards, shoutout po sa inyo. So, solo bike. Hirap kasi magbike sa hapon eh. Sobrang init. Kaya sa maaga tayo pumapadyak. Dito lang sa park, sa lugar namin. Nagpigit lang tayo dito sa park. Marapit pa yung mga tindahan dito. Maaga pa.
of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going in life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong. You fade away.
Pinagkainan, doon lang iniwan. Sana naman yung mga namamasyal dito, may basura naman, baka pwede nang ilagay sa basura niya. Meron na nga tayong park na pinagdadausan ng ating mga activities, paano makapamasya, relax, tapos madadaanan mo mga basura. Disclaimer po sa mga nakakaintindi, basura ilagay sa tamang lagayan, yun po. Para tayo nakikilabag dito sa park, kaya kailangan panatilin natin malinis, maganda, huwag natin sisirain. Dito ako sa park. Pagpadyak. Ano na ako? 6-7 ikot. Medyo ride na lang tayo. Kaya kaso na. Picture. Shoutout sa mga subscriber ko dyan. Mr. Dreamboy 66. So, shoutout sa inyo. Sa bike sa Alcards. Mega shoutout. Sana makasama ulit sa ride nyo. Kaya kasi pagpas na yung araw, mainit. Dito lang sa park. Pego. Ganyan. Malaking pinagbago ngayon dito sa Alcards. Maganda, pinapaganda nila ng gusto. Nakita nyo yan. Dati wala to. Parking area to. Tapos to, may bakod to dati. Ngayon, tinibag yung bakod. Kasi ang daming aso pumapasok. At takot yung mga naglalakad-lakad. Ngayon, kitang-kita na sa labas. May bike lane. Walk lane. Dalapot dito, ito yung pinakamalaki. Football. Sa road. Ngayon sa labas, pampata. Shoutout po sa inyo. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko, please subscribe na YouTube channel sa Dreamboy Citizens. Pauwi na ako. Tapos na tayong ikot-ikot sa park. Nakilala tayo dun sa Saudi, Nawaf Al-Sharif. Ano siya, instructor siya sa gym. Bodybuilder. Tinatanong niya kung nag-gym ako. Maraming salamat sa pagsama nyo sa aking pagpadyak. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama niyo sa aking pagpadyak. Nandito na lang po at sa susunod natin pagpadyak. Ingat po, God bless. Sa mga hindi pa napag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko, maraming salamat po sa pagsama niyo sa aking pagpadyak. Dito na lang po at sa susunod natin pagpadyak. Ingat po, God bless. Sa mga hindi pa napag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko, please subscribe na YouTube channel Mr. Jimbo. Sana patuloy po kayong sumuporta sa aking YouTube channel. Anood na aking mga video. Maraming salamat po. Buhay po lahat. God bless.